Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to convert a PDF to Canva. This is a great way to turn your documents into editable designs so you can update and customize them. On the Canva dashboard, to convert your PDF into Canva, we need to upload it first. To do that, simply click the plus sign in the upper left part of your dashboard. Then, upload your file by clicking Upload Files and selecting the PDF you want to convert. For example, we have one here. As you can see, it is now uploaded and appears in PDF format. Once that is done, copy this one. What we need to do next is remove the PDF. For example, if this is a cover letter, it will no longer be a PDF. Now we can customize the design. We can add elements and edit everything as needed. At this point, the PDF is now a Canva file that we can fully customize. This process lets us upload a PDF into Canva and convert it into an editable format. We can then modify text, images, and layout elements, making it easy to reuse and redesign existing documents. Once we are done, all we need to do is click Save. That is how we convert a PDF to Canva. With this simple method, we can transform static files into fully editable designs.